Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS S3 buckets with AWS Backup and lifecycle policies. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Backup Service dashboard. Select the Backup Plans tab located in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Backup Plan button. Choose to either create a backup plan from scratch or use an existing template. If creating from scratch, enter a name for your backup plan. Set the backup frequency according to your needs. Define a retention period for your backups. Select the AWS S3 resource type you want to include in the backup plan. Click on Add Resource to specify the S3 buckets you wish to backup. Choose the individual buckets or apply tags to backup multiple at once. Next, review your backup plan settings. Once satisfied, click on Create Plan to finalize your backup plan. Now that your backup plan is created, navigate to the lifecycle settings. Here, you can define rules for transitioning or expiring backups. Select whether to transition backups to a cheaper storage class after a certain period. Specify the retention period before backups are deleted. Click Save to apply your lifecycle policies to the backup plan. To verify, go back to the backup plan dashboard. Choose the specific backup plan you created and monitor its status. Regularly check the backup report for any issues. Lastly, ensure you review your backup strategy periodically for any required adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.